Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at partnerships and what could be more important. Nobody is more important at the bridge table than your partner. And there are certain areas where partnerships get tested. And one of those areas is when partner didn't think a bid you made was forcing and they passed you where you really wanted to keep going. So, working out with partner what's forcing and what's not in the bidding is a very good idea. In general, if partner or you bid a suit and then rebid that suit and you don't jump, it's an old suit and it's not forcing. Most bids and rebids of no trumps are not forcing. What is forcing is a new suit by an unpassed hand. And on that point, if your partner is a passed hand and they bid a suit, that's not forcing, even if it's a new suit to your suit, because you already know that they don't have an opening hand when they passed. So it's really worth sorting out what's forcing and what's not. And the hand I've given you is about something that's called false preference. This is a situation where partners opened and you've shown them that you do not have a fit by bidding, say, one note trump. They open a spade, you bid a no trump, then they show another suit. Well, if you take them back to their first suit, they'll know that you don't have three cards in it, because if you had three or more cards, you would have raised it in the first place. So it's interesting that if partner shows two suits, one of them, the first one is five, e.g. they open a spade, you bid a no trump, and then they bid two diamonds, you assume that the second suit is four cards. Well, if you're the responder and you had two spades and three diamonds, you're better to take them back to their first suit spades, because it's better to play in a 5-2 fit than a 4-3 fit. And the reason for that is because if you've got seven trumps between you and not a really good fit, then the trumps against you are likely to break. You've got seven, they've got six, much more likely to break 4-2 than 3-3. Well, if you're in a secondary fit, like the diamonds, say, and you've got a 4-3 diamond fit, well, one of the opponents is likely to have as many diamonds as you have. So it's a bit dangerous. It's much better to be in a 5-2 fit where at least your long suit has got five cards in it. So try the hand I've given you, discuss it all with partner, and have a great week, everyone. 8 points, no spade fit, respond one no trump. Partner shows a second suit of diamonds. So there'll be at least five spades and four diamonds. This is a hand where you make what's called false preference, and you would take partner back to spades, because it's better to play a 5-2 fit than a possible 4-3 fit in diamonds. So partner will know you don't have three spades because you didn't raise spades in the first place. We have one heart loser, one spade loser, one club loser, and one diamond loser. So things are looking pretty good. Do we have 8 tricks? Let's say we've got 4 spade winners, one heart is 5, one club is 6, and we will promote diamonds to make the contract. No reason not to immediately draw trumps and keep drawing them until they take their ace, and now their heart winner, They're trumping, but we over trump. And now the Queen of Spades will get rid of the last trump. And our diamonds are good. So we made 8 tricks. We didn't want to be in any more than 2 spades, and our partnership understood that when we took partner back to 2 spades, it was called false preference.